Hello guys, I hope you are doing very well. So today I am going to show you a new data scraper that I have developed using Python and Django, and I have deployed it into the Linux server, and this scraper is called Spotify data scraper, Spotify artist data scraper. And right now I'm going to show you what type of data we are going to extract using this scraper. So this is the follower count of the artist. This is the monthly listener count of the artist. This is the Spotify artist email. This is their latest release date on Spotify. This is their Facebook page, Instagram page, and this, here are the top 5 cities, countries, and the listeners of those top 5 cities. We can see here. So now I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to run this system on your side. So when you get this system, I'll explain to you where to get these two inputs. Right now, it's a little bit confidential thing, and I cannot discuss it here in the video. So I'll explain it to you when you get it. Now, here we do have 3 inputs. The minimum release year, we can keep it to 2022. I want the results of the artist who released their music in 2022 or later. Okay, and here we can uh, limit the maximum listeners of the artists. So in this case, it's 500k, and this is the artist ID. Um, I'll show you what ID we need to use here. Okay, so this is the ID. Let me explain to you small thing. On this artist profile, he has almost 42,000 listeners. Now, our system, when we start the system, let me limit it to 50,000. Yes, correct. Now, when I start it, let me do that. It will start getting the data into this Google Sheet. Right now, we do have 1544 records. Now, it will loop through all the artists within this range of listeners automatically. Once you started, you don't have to do anything. It will keep running. So it was duplicate. A few of them were already available here. So it's going to duplicate, skip the duplicates. Okay, so we got one new record here. The second one is here with their personal email. Please check. This is the personal email, and this is their release year with all the other info. These are the logs that I'm just tracking for myself. It's not for you. So if you are an artist, then you know what this system is doing and what you can do using this system if you are a real artist, or if you owns a company, then you know what this data can do for you. Let me find a better ID. Mm, let's do this one. Now you will see it will get the listeners within this range. I'm going to run a new instance at the same time. We'll copy everything. There is no limit on the instance on the system. Now press start. So this data is coming from the second instance from here, because it will get around the listeners according to this. You see, we also found duplicates here with the latest ID. So that's all for this scrapper. If you have any questions regarding this scrapper, you can ask me. Um, I have built it using Python and Django, and I have deployed it to a Linux server. If you need it, then you would need to purchase a Linux server. It will cost around $5 to $10 per month, or you can check it on digitalocean.com, because I'm using this one, and I will deploy it on your side, and you can find my contact in the description of this video. You can get in touch with me if you have any questions, or if you want to get this one, or if you want me to build another system for you. Any kind of system. I am a full stack developer and I do developments. So that's all for today. Take care, please. Have a good day. Bye.